Hey, seniors! Here's a special cool edition of Mrs. Gibson on a Monday because Wednesday is the first day of defense, and there are a lot of things that I think might be some common errors that people are making with their portfolios that I wanted to clear up so that we don't have any weird problems during defense, that you don't get an incomplete when it could have been solved ahead of time. So if you could do me a quick favor, please, and your really awesome teacher in front of you is taking the time to show you this video. So please get out your Chromebook, and I'd like you to open up to your portfolio page, the one that you're editing that's for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. I have mine here. Here's my page. Here's what yours should look like too. We have all of the things across the top. The very first thing that I want you to do is come up here to this blue button and hit publish. If you don't hit publish, nobody can see your website. Nobody knows what's going on, okay? Then the next thing that I'd like you to do is come over here, copy published site link. It's like a little link guy at the top. Click on that. And it will pop up. Here's what my published link is going to be. Leave it like that. That's what it needs to be. Copy that link. And I want you to go to your email, and I want you to open up a new email, and I want you to send this email to a friend in your class. So one of your buddies sitting next to you right now, ask them what their ID is real quick and type it in. And I want you to send them the link. Okay, just stick it in the subject line. Send it to them, because then they can actually check to see what it has and what you can see and all of those good things. Okay, so once you get your friend's link in your email, do a little quick buddy peer edit. Click on that link, see if it opens, see what in there you can check out and what still needs to be fixed. We're having a lot of problems with sharing, like files and pictures not showing up and things like that. So by double checking ahead of time, you'll know in yours what you need to fix. So please take a second and look at your friend's site and let them know what they need to include or what they need to fix. Okay, after you've checked out your friends and after they've checked out yours and told you what you need to fix, there are two common little problems that are going on right now. If they couldn't see something, if it doesn't show up on your published link and you're like, oh, I included it, then one of two things is going on. Either on your actual site, you haven't shared it with everybody who has the link. So go up there to the share button, click this here where it says published, and it says anyone can find and view the published version. Okay, click on that, hit save. Cool, we're good. So then that should show up, which is awesome. Save, hit publish again. Anytime you make a change, you need to hit publish, or the other, it's not going to show up. Okay, it's just going to go to the last thing. Okay, another thing that could be happening is that you didn't share the actual files that you input into your portfolio. Like you didn't do what I said back in the day and make that folder and dump everything in. You didn't do that. You kind of went around the system, and now it's going to cause some problems. So what you actually have to do is go to your drive, find all of those items, and you're going to have to make sure that they are shared with anyone who has the link. Make sure that every single thing, every single document, every single picture, every single video needs to be shared with anyone who has the link. If you pulled your videos from Drive, you can share them in there. If they're not showing up and you have them on YouTube, it's because your account is set to private right now on YouTube. So you need to go to YouTube, you need to change your account settings to public or to unlisted, and that way people can see those videos. So those are the common things that are going on. Make sure you've shared your portfolio with anyone who has the link. Make sure everything that you've included in your portfolio is shared. And that should solve some of the problems. Okay, make sure you have a friend double check it for you, because whatever they can see is what we the judges can see. It would be terrible if you come into defense and I can't see, or your judges can't see a bunch of your stuff, and then you get an incomplete, and then you're gonna have to figure it out another time. We don't have time for that, right? This has to get done now, one and done. Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, that's the day. You need to be good and good to go. I would also like to ask you to please bring your Chromebook charged to your defense date just in case. Just in case you forgot to hit publish, just in case something's showing up on yours, it's not showing up on somebody else's, and then you can walk them through and verify that you actually did do your project, okay? I'm in room 140A. Mrs. Meredith is in room 50. Please come and see us if you have any questions at all, and you're almost done. So hang in there. Do everything I just told you to do. Make sure your portfolio is the jam, and we will see you guys in a couple days at Defense. Thank you. Bye.